Another one that develops the mind is the right mindfulness, obviously. It's about having complete awareness in the moment. Eckhart Tolle, he has done it so well in his books, where he's describing that there is no future. That is a thought that you have. There's no past. It has passed already. It's not there. You're thinking of it for it to happen. The only thing that actually is right now is now and now and now. And as soon as you have experienced the now, it's already in the past. And becoming aware of that in everything you do, when you do the dishes, when you hoover, when you drive in traffic, when you fill out your taxes, make a cup of tea, having a sip of tea. If you're in the now and in the now and in the now, then you are with the pure awareness, with the complete awareness of the moment. And I said when we had about the Four Noble Truths, I said that remember the second one, because I'm going to circle back to it. And this is the part now about mindfulness, because it's understanding that it's not that this is my body. It's that there is a body. It's not that it's my feelings and all the identifying with all the feelings that we have. There's a feeling. It's not that my perception about what is real and what is not real. There's a perception. It's not all the mental formations. I'm thinking about this. I'm having all these mental formations. There's a mental formation happening. And not that it's my consciousness. There's a consciousness. And pulling yourself out where you know that there's no identifying. Whenever you're identifying, you're locked into the ego. There's no identifying actually happening. That is when you are in the right mindfulness, where you become aware of what is really happening, is that there are sensory experiences happening with the eyes, with the ears, with the nose, with the mouth, and with the feelings. All the information is collected by the brain, and a meaning is created into that. In that, you, the perception of you existing, is happening as well. So there is no you. There is just sensory experiences. And it's also why a really good way to get back to pure being, it is to experience everything with your senses. So you experience it through the senses. How does the tea taste? How does the table feel? How does the shirt feel? So you're in the sensory experience, and that also puts you in the now and the now and the now, where you're not in the future or in the past. So the right mindfulness is collecting all of the noble path, collecting them into a being with a complete awareness. And when there's no self connected to it, and there's no identifying connected to it, and it's not dual, it's just the pure being of what is arising. So experience through your senses with authentic observation and presence and the knowledge of non-self. And the mantra, which is really good for here, is when mindfulness clear and radiant, I purify my mind. This is a part of the three that develops the mind.